Hey guys, in today's video, we're talking table saw safety. First, let's talk about operation. The table saw uses a very flat surface and a powerful rotating blade to make precise cuts. The table saw is mostly used for making work pieces have parallel edges and be square, but it's a very versatile machine. In most cases, work pieces are guided along the fence to make your cut as measured from the blade, like this. On my machine, the angle of the blade can be changed here. The height of the blade can be changed using this wheel to raise or lower the blade. Here we have the power on button and the stop paddle or emergency stop. On my machine, I adjust the fence by releasing this clamp, turning this wheel to my desired measurement or location, and resetting the clamp. This ruler tells me the approximate distance of the fence from the blade. Now, most importantly, let's talk about safety. The primary hazard, of course, is contact with the rotating blade. To protect against incidental contact with the blade, always use a self-adjusting point of operation guard like this one. Before operating the saw, always lower the guard to reveal the minimum amount of blade necessary to make your cut. Never place your fingers in or near the danger zone. Instead, use a push stick like this. When changing the blade or doing other maintenance, you must ensure the machine is separated and isolated from power. In my case, I can just unplug it. But if your machine is hardwired, you need to apply lockout tagout. Another serious hazard to know is kickback. Kickback occurs when your workpiece gets bind on the blade or caught between the blade and the fence, and it causes the piece to violently kick back, like this. Kickback is most likely when you're rip cutting or cutting in the direction with the grain. A splitter or spreader and anti-kickback device is required when rip cutting. Also, you should never stand in the path of potential kickback. Instead, stand clear of the workpiece in case kickback occurs. Flying debris can be a hazard, so always wear safety glasses during operation. You may need hearing protection depending on your duration of exposure and work environment. The blade will need replaced when it's worn, dull, or has broken teeth. Let's just finish up with some other information. A sled can be used to make accurate cross cuts or cutting perpendicular to the grain. This one's homemade, but works like this. You can use sliding miter gauges to make cuts at angles. A dado stack is made of multiple blades to make wider cuts. You might set your blade so it doesn't cut through the whole way through your stock. You can make these non-through cuts to do things like slots and rabbet cuts. There's of course other jigs and devices that can be used for more advanced operations. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.